In this video, we will review the Ideas Map module. Ideas are potential future opportunities that you have developed but have not yet received confirmation from the client that they agree with yet. To begin, search for the module name and then click on it. In addition to the Ideas Map, many of the other Account Optimizer modules have the ability to create a new idea also. Just look for the light bulb in the top right corner. Here you can input specific information relating to the idea you had for the client. You will determine the financial and strategic value for your company, as well as how much pain it would alleviate for the client and how much they would gain by implementing your idea. Once you're done, hit the Save button. In the upper left, you can choose the view you want to see and see the ideas you've created based on what's important to us versus what's important via the client's perspective, or a combination. Additionally, you can click on the checkbox to show the other ideas created for other companies in the account hierarchy. Finally, if we scroll down, we have a list view of all of the ideas we've created. You can choose which list view to use. And also can sort the order they're displayed by clicking on each of the column or header names. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.